Hey everyone. Real quick update for distance learning the rest of the week for Maroon and also Gold, so you have a little bit of an idea what's happening. I think I've told both groups, so you should know this by now. But Monday we got Maroon next week, and Gold is Tuesday, and then it's distance learning on Wednesday because of MEA. So kind of a weird week. You'll both only be there once. We're going to finish up the muscle and bone unit on Monday and Tuesday, so you're actually going to take a test in class. So I tried to come up with a way to do this test on Schoology, but I just couldn't get it to work the way I wanted it to, so it's going to be easier just to do it in class. Monday I won't be there. Maroon already told you that, so you'll have a test, but I wanted just to go through real quick what you need to make sure you know for that test. Now, Gold, you have not seen all this material yet, so you're going to see it starting tomorrow during lecture. So if you go into week 4 in Schoology, there's a skeleton presentation, a muscle presentation. The skeleton is actually from week 3. I just moved it in. And you also have these practice quizzes. So on the test, you will have a picture of a skeleton that you have to label bones. So you have to be able to label humerus, ulna, radius, carpals, metacarpals, phalanges, clavicle, thoracic, cervical, lumbar vertebrae, ribs, kind of all those different simple bones. Then you also will have questions that'll be multiple choice in nature on the skeleton. So if you look through the skeleton presentation, each one of these slides could have a question. So 206 bones, making sure you know all the different things your bones do for you, understanding the different types of bones, okay? The parts of a bone, so diaphysis, epiphysis, and epiphyseal plate. Understand what osteoblasts and osteoclasts do. Joints, making sure you know what's part of a joint and the different types of joints. And like I said, it'll be all multiple choice. Okay? And then the muscle presentation is the same concept. Gold, you haven't seen this all yet, but you will in the next couple of days. So making sure you understand what muscles do for us and that there's 600 of them. Understanding the different parts of a muscle. So just like the diaphysis, epiphysis, and epiphyseal line for the bone, there's the belly, tendon, fascia, origin, and insertion. And you can kind of go through each one of these and know what those different parts are. Okay. Then there's some more more terms. So agonist, antagonist, isometric and isotonic, eccentric, concentric, okay, slow twitch fibers and fast twitch fibers, hypertrophy and atrophy, muscle strength, muscle endurance, and then understanding that neuromuscularly speaking, muscles only work when nerves tell them to do. So the test will be knowing all the names of the muscles, knowing all the names of the bones. So again, all those handouts I gave you, we went through them in class yesterday, Maroon. Gold, you're going to get to do that tomorrow and Thursday, but these are the practice quizzes right here. So each one of them is a PDF. You can pull them into Notability and practice labeling. It'll be basically the same pictures that we're going to use on the test, and here are the answers, and here are all the bone answers as well. So make sure you just kind of start thinking about that. That's our next test. It's on Monday and Tuesday. Gold, I will get you all caught up. I will also by the end of the week have just a study sheet that'll be in the week 4 folder, and then I'll transfer it to week 5 folder over the weekend. Hey, have a good rest of the day. Week, Maroon. We'll see you tomorrow, Gold.